go. This is it. Now this doesn't work. This is broken. But I'm going to show you an easy way to repair it. Here we go. First of all, you need this tape. Then, all you need is scissors. Now watch closely. If you blink, you'll miss it. Here we go. Ready? You cut it. You then unroll. No, I need to do it now. What are you doing? Keep it on then.
I'm sorry.
Alright, then all you do is take your tape. Put that on there like that. That to that. Do this. You roll it up. And then perfectly working once again. If you like this, and you'd like to learn more, like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.